Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I just picked up these new team transports. I'm pretty pumped because I have been waiting for it. At first, I wasn't sure. To be honest with you, I think they're releasing way too much team transport. These suckers are huge, hard to display. Um, yeah, they're just freaking huge. They take up a lot of space. But they're awesome still, whatever, right? But I wasn't really looking forward to this one. Then I kind of changed my mind because I really liked the Mazda 787B, and then the RWB Porsche. So yeah, let's have a look. So it comes in fours. It comes with an extra Porsche in this particular arrangement. So I'm gonna crack one of those open for you guys. The other ones are gonna go up on my wall. This will complete my collection. So let's have a look. If I do find extras of these other ones, then I'm gonna crack them open too as well. This hauler is pretty sweet. It has the Mazda Speed and the Brembo on the side there. And there's the 787B. Really cool. Check out the back. Check out the card art on this. Looks pretty good. Check out the Porsche. So we have seen this one in black in car culture, and we've seen this transport with that Nissan. If you guys remember, there's the card art. This one actually looks pretty cool. And then the last one here, a couple of the old collectors will be digging this one with the Super Bird on the back. This one actually looks really good. Not usually a fan of that car, but this one looks pretty good. And I believe this wide open is the new trailer. Looks pretty sweet. And at the top there, you'll notice that they have two big tires, and then it looks like four normal small tires. Pretty cool. There's the front. This is the card art. Pretty dope looking truck. Alright, so we are going to crack open a Porsche. I actually already went ahead and cut it out. I think these card arts are pretty sweet. It'd be cool to like hang them up on the wall. Just the card art. That looks pretty sweet. What do you guys think? All right, so here it is. We're gonna lower this. I'm gonna lower this a little bit. All right, and we'll check it out like that. So we'll check out the hauler first. That's the hauler. Sky, Ocean, Rain. RWB there on the side. Pretty cool. This is probably one of my favorite transports now. Just because you can see the car easy and it moves. So that's really cool. Alright, let's check out the Porsche. There you go. Pretty sweet. Looks like there's some writing on the bumper here. Let's see if we can make it out. What the world needs now. Can't make out the last part. I can't make out that last part. What the world needs now is... I can't make out that last part. If somebody could help me out with that, put it in the comments. My old eyes can't make it. I can't read it. It's actually my birthday tomorrow too, so I am getting old for real. But yeah, this one looks pretty good. We'll move this out of the way. We do have the car culture one here for comparison. So virtually identical. That one just has the writing on the front. I believe they have the same rims too. Yeah, they're just colored differently. Beautiful. Looks good. And just for giggles, there's that one transport. Alright. And then I brought out the transport from the GTR. And let's have a look. Looks pretty cool. Drive up. Pull our loader up there. What do you guys think? Pretty badass, eh? This Porsche doesn't look too bad on this transport either. Really looks good. Alright guys, that is the new assortment of Team Transport. I'll crack the other ones if I find more and if I feel like it. I probably, be honest with you, because that's a new, this Superbird, it has a new transport on it, and I probably want to crack that open. And I just like this, so I probably want to find an extra one of those and crack one of those open. But that'll be another video. Hopefully you guys like this one. Comment, you know, like, all that good stuff, so I know you guys like my videos. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.